Hi everyone! So for the strategy presentation, I was assigned to do a vocabulary strategy under the science content area. This particular strategy, I found it in Reading Rockets, and it was published in December of 2017. The name of the strategy is Vocabulary Word Maps, and it is a graphic organizer. So let's go ahead and look at the template that was already provided for us, and then I will guide you through the steps of how to create a vocabulary word map. So here's the template. Now let's go over through these steps. So first off, you will think of a unit, or depending on the unit that you're working on, you will create a word list of vocabulary words. So for instance, I'm doing the water cycle in the science unit. And I have created a list, and one of my words is evaporation. So the next step is to have the students write the vocabulary word under this box. So let's go ahead and write evaporation. After all of our students have wrote down the vocabulary word, we will have them either Google or use a dictionary to find the correct definition. Or you can have them write the definition in their own words. So I'm going to put the dictionary definition, and it is to turn from liquid to vapor. And I will write it down right here. Okay. After our students have looked for the definition, or they have written the definition in their own words, we'll move over to have them think of a synonym. So for our English language learners, we're going to have them think of a word that has the same meaning. So a word that means the same as evaporation is disappearance or to fade. And we'll write it down right here. After that, we'll move down. We'll have the students create a sentence. So they will make up their own sentence, and they will write down the sentence in this box. The sentence that I came up with for evaporation is, there was evaporation of water from the leaf. And I will write it down once more. After we have finished using evaporation in a sentence, we'll go over to the last step. On our last step, we'll have our students create a picture of the word, or draw a picture of the word. So this is how I would draw evaporation. Here's my water. And as you can see, because of my artistic ways, I had to label it. So here's my water, and this is where it's evaporating. A way that you can differentiate this instruction is by allowing students to work with partners. Some of the strengths of this particular strategy is that it helps students develop vocabulary. It also allows them to look back and look into that background knowledge, that prior background knowledge. It also allows for comprehension, and it also gives the teacher an idea of if the student's actually understanding the material or not. This is the finished product of a vocabulary word map. And the reason why I choose this particular strategy is because I can give the opportunity to students to actually draw and illustrate what they think it is. Or I can also have students actually learn how to use a dictionary instead of just going into the Google search and typing in the word. I feel that this will also allow students better vocabulary development and vocabulary understanding. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you learn how to create a vocabulary map and you're able to use it in the future with your classroom. Bye.